Today I'm going to be unboxing my Sakura thing for my birthday. It took a long time. My mom got me it. So let's unbox it. This is the pen. And here's these tiny little
pom-poms. Pom-pom bookmarks.
And here's the stickers.
Who's your favorite Sakura character, Umi?
I like her, this one.
Sakura.
She does this. She has a friend.
Okay, you can remove all of it now.
His name is
Kiro Barrows.
Kiro Barrows. What is that? And she has a nut. And here's some little small little bows on the top. Yeah, as you can see. This is
You can open it now.
little bag.
This is where you put the pen.
And here's where you put the pen. I almost lost this thing, but my mom found it. And you want to see how you open it? Ta-da!
Ooh. And you got a little keychain in the bottom.
Let me show you about the keychain. The keychain's a necklace, so you can put it like a necklace, but be careful because you will lose it. Okay, so let's unbox the little present that has the little bows. So let's unbox it. Hey, here you unbox it.
There you go. Put it here in the front. There you go. Now you can close it now.
So let's go see the fingers. See, and that's Kiro. He's hugging the star, and here's Sakura. That's her, and she's wearing her dress, and that's her new shoes. See?
Now you could put like this card.
And so let's go put the card in. So
There you go.
here's the
Flow
card.
card.
And then where's that other one? That one? Is there another one? Okay.
Put the pen over here.
And so let's go put the pen in. So as you can see, this is how you put it. I don't know what the pom-poms are for, but put this nice book. So this is how you put the bookmark on. So if you want to keep a page, you just put it like that. Here you can see this is the little cat.
Okay.
So there's a wall. So here it looks like it's this is my Sakura Journal and my mom got me for my first birthday.
Not your first birthday, sixth birthday.
My second birthday.
Sixth now.
And I'm 6 now.
You can close it. You know how to close it?
Mommy, you can put the key anywhere you want it, but don't pick too much or you're going to lose it. So here I'm going to put it right here next to the bow. See? There.
Yes, good, Yumi.
So